so windy, so cold. Let's go inside. Let's try to get warm. What is the best way to get warm? Let's make a soup. For today, we are going to make a French onion soup. Are you ready? Stay tuned. See you in the kitchen. The first step will be to make the beef stock. Start preheating the oven at 400 Fahrenheit on roast and place your beef bones and wait until full cook. Then add the bones to the Instant Pot with some of the oil, add thyme, parsley, half onion, garlic, carrot, rosemary, cumin, and beef stock, and a cup of water. Now you're going to taste the salt. If needed, you're going to add beef seasoning. Set the Instant Pot on soup or broth and just wait until the cycle is complete. Now we're going to slice our onion for the onion soup. Saute the onion in olive oil. It's about 3 to 4 cups of onion. Yeah, it looks like it's a lot, but you will see how it will be reduced. We are going to cook the onions slowly until tender and translucent. And we're going to be stirring the onions frequently. And there is not a good onion soup without a good baguette French bread. And we will make it even better because we will toast it with olive oil, salt and pepper. And then after we toast, we're gonna add the flavor of garlic. After about 20 minutes, the onions are tender and translucent. So we're going to be adding some flour and we're going to be cooking and stirring slowly for another 3 to 4 minutes. At this point, I'm going to add the hot stock and I'm going to let it simmer for about an hour, very slowly. You're also going to be tasting for seasoning. If needed, you can add some more of the beef seasoning, or you also can add some salt. Okay, and my soup is ready to be divided in these oven-proof bowls. We are going to be adding the toast on top of the soup. And now it's time for some cheese, and my favorite is Fontina cheese. The crust is so delicious, and be generous because the crust of the cheese is what makes this soup special and very Frenchy. And this will go to the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. I will be adding some green onions for decoration, but also for flavors. And this is it. Our French onion soup is ready, but I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit to taste it for you. In the meantime, I want to welcome my new subscribers. And for my old subscribers, thank you for being here. And for you that just passing by today, thank you for visiting me. And you have my friendly invitation to subscribe to my channel, Cook Plants and Decor. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and also visit my website, Cook Plants and Decor. So good. Very good. Nothing like this for this cold day. Special. I'm gonna eat it all. Bye-bye. See you in my next video.